Okay. We're going to feed William cereal for the very first time. How old is William?
How old is he?
He's going to be 5 months old tomorrow.
5 months old.
Can you give him a bite of cereal? This is his first bite of cereal.
I'm gonna do it.
You can do it too, Lydia. Hurry up, Kate. It's done. You don't have to stir it. Give him a little bite.
Little bitey. No, William.
Good job. Keep trying. I think he likes it.
I think he does. I think he likes the cereal.
Do you like cereal?
I think he wants some more.
Yeah, he's smiling at you.
I want to have, Mom. I want to have it. Okay, Miss Shirley. Alright, second bite. I'm going to try. You try.
Lydia, can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Careful, Lydia. Does he like it, Kate?
I think he does. He's chewing it.
Good.
Mom, when I was a baby, I loved the cereal. I said, Mommy, can you give me more? And you gave me a lot.
Can William talk?
No, I was a big baby like Lydia, and I was like her. And I was sitting in my high chair, and I was waiting for my food.
What was taking so long?
I said I really want my cereal. I said, Mama. I said, Dada, feed me. Mama, feed me. I want my daddy and my mommy to both feed me. Honey, give it to me. The cereal, Daddy. It's my turn. No.
Well, maybe give Lydia one more turn.
Okay, Lydia. Ready? Help me, Lydia. Daddy, do it gently.
Lydia, how are you?
Dad.
Good.
I'm gonna try.
I think Lydia wants to try.
Lydia, put it right in his mouth. Lydia. Oh, she's throwing it on the floor.
Well, she doesn't mean to.
Mom, how about I pour into this cup?
No, it's fine. It can be in the bowl. Let's leave it in the bowl.
Lydia, give me. Let me have a turn.
Oh, Lydia, you need to give Kate the spoon so she can have a turn.
Thank you.
Good job.
Okay, William, open wide. He really likes it.
I think he does. He likes it better than you did when you were a baby. You didn't like it.
I didn't like it.
Lydia didn't really like it either.
I didn't.
Lydia, do you like it?
And we fit our cup right in here, and we didn't like it. No. William, I'm gonna try. No bubbles in it, right? No bubbles.
It's okay. I don't think he needs to eat very much more. Usually the first time you eat it, you just have a little bit. So you're doing a really good job, Kate. How come you're so good at this?
Because I'm getting on.
Oh. Do you have a lot of babies?
Yeah, I have tons of babies. I have to feed them water bottles. Okay.
You have to feed them what?
I gotta feed them lots and lots of bottles so they can get healthy food to eat. And so they can get cereal when they like William.
What are your babies' names?
Laura, Daisy, Willie, and Dale.
Daisy, Willie, and Dale?
Yeah.
What about Sunshine and Minnie?
Oh yeah. Lydia, work for me. Okay. Mom, there's no room for me.
Oh, I think Lydia. Lydia, is it your turn?
Ow.
What happened?
She just bounced. Hey, Lydia.
There, let Lydia have a turn.
You know.
She wants to be a mommy too.
She's a daddy. Oh, Lydia.
Give the spoon to William, Lydia. There you go. Good job, Lydia. I'm proud of you, honey. Good job.
Okay, you really like the cereal by now.
Lydia, can you tell William good job? Can you tell Kate good job?
Lydia, you can taste it. Taste it.
Lydia, are your nails painted? Ready. Okay. Say goodbye to the camera.
Bye.
Did William do a good job?
Yeah.
Whoa.